everybody and welcome. My name's Suzanne from Non-Stop Papercrafts. Thank you for joining me again in my craft room. So today I am excited to do a flip through of my latest design team project. I have been using a beautiful kit from LineDotArrow. This is obviously the promo sheet before we came up with a name, but Natalie did a giveaway. People had to come up with a name for the kit, and it is now called Eclectic Grunge. I will put the link down below if you are interested in this kit. I also have an offer code for you. Natalie has kindly given me a code for you guys to use, so you can have 50% off not only this kit but any of the kits in the LineDotArrow Etsy shop. So I'll put that code down below. It's Non-Stop Papercrafts 50. It's only valid though till the 15th of May 2022. So absolutely head over there and go and take advantage of that. All of her kits are absolutely stunning, and especially if you want to work with this one, 50% off. So this is my project. I have built this using a file folder. I did follow a tutorial from the Inky Owl Studio to just build the base of this. I have obviously added my own elements as well, but the base of the work is following the Inky Owl Studio tutorial. I will put the link down below if you are interested in checking that out. I didn't record myself making this purely because those of you that have been watching know that I've been having lots of technical issues. Good news though is that a new camera is on its way, so hopefully soon I'll have a whole new setup and I'll be able to be back to recording tutorials again. I really would like to make another one of these again. There are lots of things as I've kind of made this and built it together that I would like to tweak and change. I think certain things need to be altered, which I'll talk about as I kind of go through. But yeah, I'm really pleased with how this turned out. I really loved using the file folders. I have a few of them and I love using them in projects, so I was excited to be able to use one in this project. Okay, so let's take a little tour and open her up then. So on the front, as you can see, I've got a sari silk closure. I've put one of the cutouts from the kit on the front. Also used some bits of sort of fabrics and lace and some buttons and things just to kind of add some extra decoration. I've got a little charm set down here with again some fabrics and lace and things. And then when you open her up, there is a kind of scrappy journal in the middle. So this was just bits that I had left over, as well as some tea stained paper, but there really wasn't much of the kit left over at the end from what I had printed. But there's just, yeah, so a scrappy kind of book in the middle. This is where I would probably make some alterations if I did this again. I think the spine probably needs to be a little bit wider to be able to fit a journal, as well as having obviously these two panels. I don't think it's wide enough as it is. I would also put a spine here, which wasn't in the tutorial, again because I think this bit's quite bulky as well. There was a spine for this side, but that wasn't considered for this side. So just like I said, little things that I would change if I was to do it again. So on this side then, I have this really gorgeous tag shape here, and it's with a Velcro. You kind of just pull it off and put it down, and then there's a cute little notepad there for little notes, and then just a cluster down the bottom. I've done some stamping off the tabs of the file folders, which I think look really cute. And then as you open this up, I've got a lovely tuck spot here for one of the tags from the kit. I really loved all of the colours that were in this kit. This is definitely my kind of style. I like the kind of grungy colours, so lots of sort of greens and earthy colours. This is the same as that tag, just larger, and instead of it opening up, I've got an opening to the side. So you've obviously got the print on the back as well, and then there's just a piece of paper on the inside. So I've kind of made it into a bit of a pocket, and then that just goes on there. And then this flips over, and this is an envelope that obviously has a window, and in here I actually had a misprint on a page, so I just sort of trimmed off all of the white bits and then made a little tabbed journaling card there that slots into that envelope. I have another one of the tags from the kit, and then this opens up. This I did do slightly differently to how the lady shows you in Inky Owl Studio, but essentially it does the same thing. So this bit folds down, this bit folds up. I just have a scrappy pad in the middle, just sitting in there, and then at the top in this pocket is one of the lovely tri-fold tags. It's just blank on the back for journaling. I haven't done anything to the back, I've just added some ink, but I just really love the patterns on each of these, just absolutely gorgeous. And then that goes in that big pocket up the top. Okay, and then that folds down. And then that just becomes like a little tuck spot. Okay, then as I say, we've got our journal in the middle, and then on the other side I have a pocket here with a tag, and this tag's kind of holding this bit shut. So again, that's from the kit. I really love the kind of wood lines there from a tree, and then as I say, this is holding this closed. So I've done a butterfly shaped kind of notebook with a few pages there for journaling on, and then this opens up, and then I've got stacked pockets here. So again, these are all tags and postcards from the kit, really gorgeous, and again blank on the back just for some journaling. And then over here I've got an envelope that has a tuck spot at the back. Again, that just has a postcard in. And I've got a little dangle here again with some charms, a little bit of lace and ribbon. And then this opens up, and then we've got again another one of those windowed envelopes. Put another postcard inside. And then on the reverse of that, again, we've got a couple of pockets, so another tag, a couple of the cutter parts, which I really like. Again, blank on the back for journaling. And then there is another pocket here, which again, I've just added some paper to for some more journaling space. And then that just wraps around to hold that closed. Just like that. And that's that side. So it's a cute little file folded journal. As I said, the alterations that I would make are to make the back spine a little bit wider, just so, because it feels like, especially where this tab is, it's just a little bit squashed where the journal is. So if I wanted anything bigger than this, yeah, I definitely think the spine needs to be wider. And then, as I say, because this side is quite bulky, I think, like this one, I just need a slight spine, I think, just to help cut down some of that bulk in that corner. And there we are. So thank you for joining me on this flip through of my design team project. I hope you are inspired by what you've seen here and you've enjoyed the papers. As I say, take advantage of that 50% off until the 15th of May. All the code and the links will be down below. If you would like to support my channel, then please click like on this video, subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and make sure you're hitting that bell so you are notified of new crafty videos. As I say, a new camera is on the way, so hopefully soon I'll be able to get going with my tutorials again. As always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everybody's support, and I'll hope to see you soon in the next crafty video. I'll see you later. Bye bye.